Welcome to Sergio Creativity.
Welcome. In this method, there is no need to write anything down or try to memorize. If you forget a word, don't worry. The struggle to find it is actually how the brain learns. Today, we're going to go shopping, or as the Finns say in the street, we're going to shoppailla. Let's start with the word for to go, mennä. To say let's go, we say mennään. Say that for me. Mennään. Good. Now, to make it a question, shall we go? The formal way is to add ke at the end. Mennäänkö? But on the street in Helsinki, they use a shortcut. They swap the ending for a sharp x. How would you ask a friend, shall we go, the spoken way? Mennäänkö? Exactly. Mennäänkö? Now, shopping is ostoksille. Ask me, shall we go shopping? Mennäänkö ostoksille? Perfect. Now, you're in the store. You need something. The verb is tarvita. In a book, you'd say, minä tarvitsen. But we want to sound natural. I becomes mä, and need becomes tarviin. The word for shirt is paita. How do you say, I need a shirt, in spoken Finnish? Mä tarviin paidan. Excellent. You added the in at the end of paita because you've completed the thought of the specific shirt you need. Paidan. Now, you're looking at two shirts. One is near you, one is further away. Finnish pointing is very logical. This, near me, is tämä. That, further away, is tuo. How do you say, I need that shirt? Mä tarviin tuon paidan. Good. Now, you want to see if it fits. The verb to fit or to be suitable is sopia. To ask, is it suitable or does it fit, we add our question hook. How do you ask, does it fit, the spoken way, using se for it? Sopiiko se. Brilliant. Sopiiko se. Now, you want to try it on. The verb is sovittaa. Can I is voinko. Ask the salesperson, can I try on this? This is tämän. Voinko sovittaa tämän? Perfect. They will point you to the fitting rooms, sovituskopit. They might say, they are on the right. Right is oikea. On the right is oikealla. Say, on the right. Oikealla. Now, the shirt is too small. Too is liian. Small is pieni. How do you say, it is too small? Se on liian pieni. Right. So you tell the clerk, I need a bigger size. Size is koko. Bigger is isompi. How do you say, I need a bigger size? Remember the in hook for the object. Mä tarviin isomman koon. Spot on. Now let's go to the checkout, the kassa. You want to know the price. How much is paljonko? To cost is maksaa. Ask, how much does it cost? Paljonko se maksaa? The clerk says, 90 euros. 90 is 90. Euros is euroa. 90 euroa. You pay and you need your receipt, kuitti. I would like is the polite bridge, haluaisin. Say, I would like the receipt, please. Please is kiitos. Haluaisin kuitin, kiitos. You've learned today that Finnish shopping is a game of street shortcuts and logic hooks. You know how to ask mennäänkö, how to use mä tarviin, and how to navigate from the sovituskopas to the kassa. You aren't just reciting words, you are building a real interaction. We'll stop there. Well done. Key vocabulary review. The building blocks. Mennäänkö? Shall we go? Spoken shortcut. Mä tarviin. I need. Spoken shortcut. Tämä, that, this. Sopiiko se? Does it fit? Is it okay? Liian pieni. Iso. Too small. Too big. Sovituskopassa. In the fitting room. Paljonko se maksaa? How much does it cost? Kuitin. Receipt. Haluaisin. I would like. the polite bridge.